In today's video, we are going to learn cooking verbs. Improve your cooking vocabulary by learning these important cooking verbs. Let's start the video.
Cooking verbs in English.
Chop. Example, chop the vegetables finely for the salad. Chop. Example, chop the vegetables finely for the salad. Dice. Example, dice the onions into small pieces. Dice. Example, dice the onions into small pieces. Slice. Example, slice the tomatoes for the sandwich. Slice. Example, slice the tomatoes for the sandwich. Grate. Example, grate the cheese over the pasta. Grate. Example, grate the cheese over the pasta.
Peel. Example, peel the potatoes before boiling them. Peel. Example, peel the potatoes before boiling them. Boil. Boil the water before adding the pasta. Boil. Boil the water before adding the pasta. Simmer. Example, simmer the soup for 15 minutes. Simmer. Example, simmer the soup for 15 minutes. Stir. Example, stir the ingredients until well mixed. Stir. Example, stir the ingredients until well mixed.
Mix. Example, mix the flour and sugar together. Mix. Example, mix the flour and sugar together. Blend. Example, blend the fruits to make a smoothie. Blend. Example, blend the fruits to make a smoothie.
Whisk. Example, whisk the eggs until they form soft peat. Whisk. Example, whisk the eggs until they form soft peat. Fry. Example, fry the chicken until it's golden brown. Fry. Example, fry the chicken until it's golden brown.
Sauté. Example, sauté the onions until they are translucent. Sauté. Example, sauté the onions until they are translucent.
Roast. Example, roast the vegetables in the oven. Roast. Example, roast the vegetables in the oven.
Bake. Example, bake the cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Bake. Example, bake the cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes.
Broil. Example, broil the steak for a few minutes on each side. Broil. Example, broil the steak for a few minutes on each side.
Grill. Example, grill the burgers until they're cooked through. Grill. Example, grill the burgers until they're cooked through.
Marinate. Example, marinate the chicken in the sauce for at least an hour. Marinate. Example, marinate the chicken in the sauce for at least an hour.
Season. Example, season the soup with salt and pepper. Season. Example, season the soup with salt and pepper.
Sprinkle. Example, sprinkle the cheese over the pizza. Sprinkle. Example, sprinkle the cheese over the pizza.
Toss. Example, toss the salad gently to mix the ingredients. Toss. Example, toss the salad gently to mix the ingredients.
Knead. Example, knead the dough until it's smooth. Knead. Example, knead the dough until it's smooth.
Poach. Example, poach the eggs in simmering water. Poach. Example, poach the eggs in simmering water.
Steam. Example, steam the vegetables until they are tender. Steam. Example, steam the vegetables until they are tender.
Reduce. Example, reduce the sauce until it thickens. Reduce. Example, reduce the sauce until it thickens.
Sear. Example, sear the meat to seal in the juices. Sear. Example, sear the meat to seal in the juices.
Deglaze. Example, deglaze the pan with wine to make a sauce. Deglaze. Example, deglaze the pan with wine to make a sauce.
Glaze. Example, glaze the cake with chocolate icing. Glaze. Example, glaze the cake with chocolate icing.
Ladle. Example, ladle the soup into bowls for serving. Ladle. Example, ladle the soup into bowls for serving.
Garnish. Example, garnish the dish with fresh herbs before serving. Garnish. Example, garnish the dish with fresh herbs before serving.
Like, share, and let us know in the comments which cooking verb you found most delicious. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. There's a galaxy of language waiting for you. Subscribe, stay connected, and let's keep mastering English together. Until next time, happy cooking and happy learning.
Thank you for watching. Share your feedback in comment section. See you in the next video.